All right, here we go. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're at a completion video of the fan motor on a Coleman MACH system. All right, yeah. There we go. Feeling good up here today on the roof. So, remember I told you about that bolt with this fan. The motor's under there. Showed you how that all goes in. Right, the self-locking nuts on the other side. They were 5/16 I think, or 3/8. And then I taped it better than it was from the factory, because this side is where the air gets pushed, the cold air. This is the evaporator right here. Now these little things, these plugs, you pull this tape off as a rubber plug, it lets you inspect in there, see if you got any damage or anything. And this is the discharge side. This is the intake side right here of the evaporator. The evaporator sitting here. The air gets cold, then goes this way, and then blows out. So this side is your evaporator cool. You gotta look very carefully, see if you see any oil leaks. Any oil. That's a compressor right there. Okay. All right, I don't see no oil leaks. This underneath there, this cap that's under here on top of the compressor, whether it's laying vertical or horizontal with this 10mm nut, that is a thermal overload switch. When this compressor gets too hot for whatever reason, the number one reason is the condenser can't get rid of the heat. Okay, and then that'll automatically open up and the compressor cools off and the compressor kicks back on. Okay, so I did some cleaning up. I'm looking for any oil stain leaks. I don't see none. I looked at everything in here. I taped it up a lot better than what it was. We probably picked up 2%, 3% airflow. That means a lot. All right, don't forget how you get them screws down there, right? You got to take this screw and you lift this whole system up on both sides. And I use that bucket to hold it up. So I put a little blue Loctite in there, just a drip. I got to remember to take that with me. That's like a $25 bottle. Little bitty old bottle. Little bitty old bottle. I don't even think it's 2 ounces. Oh, 1.22 ounces. There you go. So put that over in the tool bucket. There's the trash bucket. There's another tool bucket. All right. So we're going to put the cover on this, and we're going to call this a wrap. So thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, this is a real simple procedure. Just takes you time. Don't forget you're dealing with capacitors. To discharge them, you just put a plastic handle screwdriver that's metal across the positive and negative. Do not be hooked up to no 120, no inverter 120, no solar given inverter 120, no shore power, no generator, just 120 dead. All right. You can flip the main breakers off inside, or make sure you're connected to 30 amp down there, or 50. Don't have an inverter system helping you along the way to get a buzz or a shock or death. All right, that's a long way down there. Okay. All right. The third video. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. All right. Test, not guess, is the motto. You know that by now. Don't forget to come to the school and the garage at 22480 Bloxham School Road, Seaford, Delaware 19973. It'll be in the comments down below. Thank you.